Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Somi here. So if you're a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. I'm starting up by prepping my model's skin. I'm cleaning out the dirt all over her face. So this is essential before applying any product on the face. I'm going in with the skin primer and moisturizer. We have the Rimmel and Moisture Portion moisturizer. So I'm going to apply the moisturizer all over her face. This product is available at the Studio Julia's makeup store. I applied the moisturizer all over the face. I'm going in now with the Rimmel primer. I'm focusing on her T-zone areas. Now I'm using a fix spray all over her face. So I'm going to allow it to dry a bit. Then I'm going in with my foundation, Maybelline Stay Matte. I'm mixing the two shades together and apply it all over the face. I'm buffing it in with the beauty sponge, patting it into the skin. This is the outcome of the foundation application. I'm going in with my V Beauty concealer and I'm going to apply it under the eye area, her forehead and the nose areas. Then I love applying around the mouth areas because that area is usually dark. I'm going in again with the beauty sponge and I'm blending it all out. Your blending technique needs to be on point. Blend everything out. We don't need to be seeing harsh lines or products packed all over. I'm going in again with my V Beauty concealer and I'm applying the dark shade all over her face. I'm going in again with a lighter shade of concealer because I want her under eye to pop a bit, and I'm blending it in. So now I'm going to contour the nose areas. Watch how I do this in order to snatch her nose. Don't forget to blend everything out, blend it in well. Going in now with my highlighting powder, I'm placing it all over the highlighted areas. Before doing this, try to blend out the creased lines all under her eyes before placing any product. Because I do face before brows, I like putting highlighting powders all over my brows to give the brows that matte finish look. I'm going in with the contour shade. I'm placing it all over the contoured areas of the face, the jawline, the forehead. Going in now with the contour shade around the bridge of the nose. Blend it all in. So for the brows, I'm using the Flawless Ivy brow tint, my Davis eye pencil, Beauty Line by Didi brow pencil, and I brush up the brows, tint, okay, brush up the other brows. Then with my brow tint, I'm going to create a brush up strokes. Take it all up so you can see the difference. So I'm going to do it on the other side of the brows. And now I'm done tinting the brows. With my Davis pencil, I'm going to outline the brows. Make sure before doing this process that your pencil is sharp enough. As you can see, I went back to make the pencil sharp enough. Then draw the upper part of the brows all the way down to the tail. When you are able to get the outline of your brows, you are going to have a perfect brows. Make sure the outline of the brows is clean and crisp. You don't need so much product like using concealer to correct the brows. Always make sure your pencil is sharp enough. If your pencil is sharp enough and you get the right shape of the face structure of the brows, then you are good to go. Now we are creating light strokes to give it a natural effect. Sorry guys, I had to do the other brows and next thing, I'm going in with the contour shade again all over the faces for a perfect contoured face. So now I'm going in with my shadow. I'm just going to do a very light, simple eye look. Placing it all over the lid and blending everything together. I didn't define my crease or add any other product. Just with one shadow, I blended it all over the lid. Now with my gel liner, creating a winged line. Fill it all in. So one thing I normally do before placing my lashes, I try to apply the gel liner under the eye area, take up her eye and put the products under the eye area between her lash line and her lid. By placing the gel liner there, it's going to create an illusion. It's going to tighten the eye area up. So for the waterline, I used this Flawless Ivy lip liner for the waterline and placed a red eyeshadow under it to make it pop. So now I'm applying my blush just to add a pop of color to her face, and my mascara. Then this is it. Now I'm using my Wing Clash 8-in-1 pack, and I'm going to join the two lashes together and place it all her eye. So now for the Gele. So I'm going in with my bronzer all over the cheekbones. Wow, this is beautiful. So I'm placing the bronzer on the tip of the nose. For the lip, I'm going in with this two lipstick and the lip liner, and I'm going to outline the lip area. So I'm using the darker lip stain at the outer area of the lip above the lip liner, which I used earlier. Then now I'm placing the Pepper Red by Flawless Ivy in the inner areas of the lip. I applied a bit blush all over her cheekbone again, just to add more colors. So guys, this is the final look. Our bride is ready. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, like, comment and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.